Pregnancy Week by Week series. I am Dr. Karishma Shinde, Director of Sunrise Diagnostic Center, Kothurud, Pune. Today we will talk about 10th week of pregnancy. In this video, we see body changes in mother, body changes in baby, then size of baby, and what precautions we have to take in 10th week of pregnancy. Now let's see baby changes in 10th week of pregnancy. In 10th week of pregnancy, our baby is look like a small strawberry or a small lemon. The baby size is increased up to 2 inch and baby weight is around 6 to 7 grams. From first week to 10th week of pregnancy, in this period all baby organ is developed and this period is called as embryogenesis. As I told, we have to maintain our lifestyle during pregnancy. We have to take proper diet plan. We have to do proper minimum 20-minute exercise daily. Don't take pharmacy medicine directly without consulting with your doctor. If you have any disease like thyroid, diabetes or blood pressure, you have to consult with your gynecologist doctor. From 10th week of pregnancy, we say there is an end of embryonic period and there is an start of fetal period. In fetal period, only mature and functioning of baby organ takes place. Functioning of brain, liver and lungs is get started. In this week, baby fingers is get separated and baby finger movements is start in 10th week of pregnancy. Baby also started to drinking. Baby started to drink amniotic fluid in 10th week of pregnancy. Now let's see why we say like this. Till 10th week of pregnancy, all body parts of baby is developed. Now like brain, lungs, intestine, kidney, face, eyes, ear. In moms, due to hormonal changes, the symptoms seem like weakness, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, constipation, irritability. These are the symptoms is seen in 10th week of pregnancy. These all symptoms are like a part of our lifestyle. One more symptom is seen in 10th week of pregnancy, that is increased vaginal discharge. Increased vaginal discharge is seen because there is an increased blood flow to the pelvic organ and uterus. This increased blood flow gives nutrition and development to the baby. Because of increased blood supply to the pelvic organ and the uterus, there is an increased vaginal discharge during pregnancy. Now let's see what precautions we have to take in 10th week of pregnancy. As I told, there is increased vaginal discharge. But we take tension whether this discharge is normal or abnormal. When this discharge is of foul smell or this discharge with itching in vagina, it is abnormal sign. During pregnancy, infection in a vagina leads to preterm delivery. So, when you get infection in a vagina or there is increased vaginal discharge, then you have to visit to your doctor and take a treatment for infection in vagina. In this video, we talk about body changes in mother, body changes in baby, then size of baby and what precautions we have to take in 10th week of pregnancy. If you have any question regarding 10th week of pregnancy, then comment me below in comment section. And for early pregnancy scan, do visit Sunrise Diagnostic Center, Kothrood, Pune. Thank you.